Oh, shoot. Here's Fernando. Oh, there we go. Welcome back to the Tony Bush Jr. Show, baby. Woo! Yes. I'm at the underground garage doing some underground stuff. It might be a chop shop.
Why don't you just go to the police station in a red clown suit and let everybody know what we're doing here?
Who knows? I don't know. But anyways, I got a new whip. I got a new daily. I got a new project or something. I'm about to work on it, do some stuff. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna dig into it because I can't leave nothing stock. So you know what to do. You know what to do. You hit them buttons. You hit them buttons. We're gonna get into the new whip and I'll see y'all in a minute. So, like I said, this is the new whip. Bam! Bam! Woo! 2008 Chevy SS Trailblazer. It's actually pretty clean. It is the 3SS model. So the 3SS came with the leather and suede seats, the head, no, not head, but the sunroof and the all-wheel drive. So, bam. Oh, and the heated seats. In case your booty get cold. So I got it, man. I got it for a cool deal. And but you know, with good deals comes good problems. And this had a good problem. Transmission was blown out. It was gone. Tranny was gone. It was gone. So I put a new transmission in it. I'll cut to some of that footage real quick. And then that was pretty much it. But I wasn't satisfied with the stance, because look at this. Look at that. Look, I can put these size 17s in there.
You know what they say about a guy with big feet?
You know what?
I really wear an 11. But that's too much of a gap. That is freaking huge. That is horrendous. Look at it. I can play rock, paper, scissors. Look. Ah, shoot. That ain't cool. That's not gonna cut it. So what I did was got a lowering kit for it. Boom. Some what we go with? I went with Beltec for their front and rear lowering suspension. So hopefully that'll give me the look that I want, because again, this gotta go. So I'm gonna get this thing set up, you know, because I'm at the underground garage slash, you know, inconspicuous area, and they don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna get in and get out. So I'm gonna get everything set up, and then I'll be back. All right, so I got my tools good. All right, now again, this disclaimer, oh, let me put on I gotta put on my safety glasses. Get all nice and safety. Yeah, baby. Like I was saying, this is my first time doing any type of suspension work on one of these Trailblazers, but I'm starting with the hard part first, which is the front, and it looks like it might go easy. I don't like to jinx myself, but looks like I just loosened this bad boy up. Where my gun? Where my gun at? Get my gun. All right, and where my other tools go? Oh, my tool is on there. All right, we're gonna zap this thing. All right, ziggity ziggity zap. And what I'm thinking is this slides off after I take these nuts out and bolts, and then this theoretically this should just slide down. So I might be wrong, but I might be right. So let's see. Let's test this theory out. First you go up, and then you go down. Story of my life. It's the story of my life. All right, let's see what you got, baby. All right, I gotta take them two little guys out right there. All right, and then hopefully it'll slide out. Get these bad boys going. Feel like I'm going in blind. There we go. There we go. Woo, we're getting somewhere now. I got the tickety top nuts off. Now I just gotta remove it. Okay. All right, so I got the first shock out. That actually wasn't that bad. So now all I gotta do is swap out the coil onto here, onto the new, you know, shock, strut, whatever they call them these days. I'm not using any of these spacers because I'm trying to get low, baby. I'm trying to get low to the flow, which is the full 2 inches in the front. If I was trying to go high or do a lift, I would put dang near all these mother suckers, but we ain't doing that. So let's get on to the next phase and take this off, swap it over here, boom, blow, surprise, and then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm gonna take these mother sucking parts way over here so that I can swap out these mother sucking coils to finish this mother sucking Lawrence spring. Mother sucking, I just said like 8 mother suckings right now. Yeah, get on there. Yeah, I like, oh yeah, there you go. Yep. Oh yeah, that's it right there. So far it's pretty good. So far so good. Okay. Yeah.
I'm surprised they didn't give you a new one.
Me too. Look at that, smooth like butter. Smooth like butter. By the way, ladies, this is Ty. He likes long walks on the beach. he likes watching Bob Ross.
I like catching little trees.
What's up, Louis? Louis, ladies and gentlemen, he looks like the grim. He looks like El the Reaper. First one went pretty cool. So I can loosen these nuts. Yeah, that's right. Trying to loosen up these nuts. There we go. That honestly was not too bad. Hey man, every once in a while you gotta some people take a smoke break. I'll take a snack break. Yeah man, you can, You get hungry working on cars. Shoot. Come on, Fig Bar. Look, I'm keeping it healthy, all right? I got 4.
Let's go.
Woo! Once again, ladies, you see Ty is very good with his fingers. I hate to interrupt this feature presentation with a little bit of information called I lost my nut. Yep. It's not what you think. The nut that goes right here on this upper control arm, it went bye-bye. Now, I know a lot of y'all feel what I'm talking about. You spend hours looking for that one bolt, one fitting, and it's right in front of you. Now, I don't know where the heck it went, because it literally dropped from right here, and I didn't hear it hit the ground at all. So I'm freaking stuck. No, that ain't it. That's not it. I'm so puzzled. I have no idea where it went. I've been looking for it for like 20 minutes. So hopefully I find it within the next 20 minutes, because that's literally probably the hardest part of this job right now, is finding my nut. I found my nut right there in the rotor. Mother sucker. Yeah, I'm about to get you. So I got the fronts on. Looking all extra nice and buttery. Ooh, yeah. Now, I'm moving on to the back side. Moving on back. And I'm not a rocket scientist, but it looks like I don't need to remove the rims. It looks like I can just remove the shock, put a little brace right here so that doesn't fall, and then the coil, and that's it. And do that to both sides. So I'm gonna test my hypotenuse, and I'll be right back. So, see how this goes. Butter, baby, butter. Woo! Come on down. I was lowering the rear end down and I noticed this line was snagging. So I was like, well, let me loosen this up before I rip it and have problems. I don't like problems. Problems ain't cool. It's getting real nasty up in here. Come on. Woo. Woo. There we go. All right, let's do a quick little comparison. So, old shock, new shock. This is the old coil spring, new coil spring. So, I'm juiced. This should lower the truck, SUV, Trailblazer, whatever this mother sucker is, it should lower it quite significantly. So I'm gonna put it all together, put this side together, bam. Then I'm gonna do the other side, put the wheels back on, and then we're gonna see what happened. All right, so it is the moment of truth. I got the front done, I got the rear done. It's time to lower it and see what it looks like. Woo! I'm juiced. And we're about to find out right now how juiced I'm gonna be after we see how low it is. Okay, and there she is. That's the after. Woo! That look good. That look good. That look good. Before, my whole body could fit in there, but now, just like maybe my thighs. Look at that, that's the back and that's the front. Man, that's a big difference. Holy smokes. And I still gotta drive it, so it might level out and drop, shoot, maybe a little more than that. I'm satisfied. I'm freaking satisfied. No more monster truck for me. Hey, man, I appreciate you mother suckers for tuning in and checking out the new daily. My lady she named it Wino because of the color. And maybe there's some alcohol. No, ain't no alcohol. Appreciate you guys for tuning in and, you know, revealing the new daily for the daily. Y'all know the struggle. And shoot, guess what? I'm going to take it for a test drive. Make sure everything is cool. Make sure ain't nothing loose or rattling or nothing like that. Hit it on the road. And guess what? I'll see you mother suckers on the next one. So stay tuned. Peace out. I'm gone.